Our client, Peachtree Services, commissioned us to install heating in a mixture of residential and commercial units here in Harlow. Norfolk Heating's role in the project was to install plant room and distribution pipework to 13 commercial units and 30 apartments. The boilers we used in this particular project were the Ideal 150 Evomax for their small footprint, as we needed to get 5 boilers into a very tight plant room. We installed 5 boilers with a total of 750 kilowatts. We had 2 engineers for 5 weeks to carry out the works. Throughout the project, Ideal have been excellent with courtesy calls and site visits. Ideal were particularly great in providing us help with the Bespoke flue and Bespoke header system for the distribution pipework. Upon completion of the project, Ideal and Norfolk Heating commissioned the boilers into operation. The Ideal commercial range, particularly Evomax boilers, are great to install and service with easy access to moving parts and electronics. We would certainly recommend Ideal Commercial to the industry. We've worked with them for a number of years. They have a great sales team and great customer service, and we've found their products to be exceptional.